All right, it's Monday, December 30th. Just following up in the SPY. You can see here the reversal to the upside is building some momentum higher. I was able to scale out some more of those options. I bought the 580 calls as described in the previous video at 887. I scaled out at 10 to set up a Norris trade. I just sold some more at 1113. And now it's just a matter of seeing how structure unfolds for the rest of the day. Do we, continue up? And potentially on the daily chart have a nice green hammer looking bar, which could lead to a 2-up day going into tomorrow. The key to this whole reversal was the inside weekly bar here. And when you see an inside bar, you always look for a potential failure. We moved lower to start the session below, the inside bar low. So we were targeting this area down here, but we also know inside bars could fail. And when we looked at the intraday structure on the day on the 15-minute chart, we saw it come down below the first bar low on bar number 2. It paused, then it started down on bar number 3, but then it made a big reversal up here through the midpoint of that first bar. And that was my sign that structure on the day wasn't moving lower out of the gates towards those bigger picture targets, and instead had the potential to reverse. So I bought some calls here. I was anticipating us getting up to the first bar high, and that was kind of the chain reaction now to set maybe the daily chart reversing to the upside, which if it develops by the end of the day could lead to the weekly reversal. And the weekly reversal means we come back up through the open, which we have. We turn this weekly chart green. Some point in the middle of the week we get through the midpoint of this inside bar, and then that would mean we're heading to the highs of that inside bar. So this is kind of the chain reaction that's developing to the upside, although it's just it's not confirmed yet until we get this a daily 2 down 2 up day, and we won't know that till the end of the day. And quite frankly, we won't even it's possible we just came and reversed up here a little bit. Definitely take out the first bar high, but we might not follow through for the rest of the day, given that we're way below the midpoint of the prior day here. So anyway, that's kind of what's developing on the SPY, but it's all at no risk now to see if this 15-minute chart can just kind of hold here and then work higher towards the end of the day and close the daily chart green. And if that happens, then I would think there's high probability we follow through for the rest of the week higher. But we're not there yet. But, kind of an interesting day where the first move down presented some small gains. And given this type of price action that failed to move lower, you kind of then had a possibility of a reversal higher. So that's where we're at right now. And I'm going to hold on here and just see if we could just orderly pause in here and continue higher for the rest of the day.